Au gratin refers to any dish that is topped with breadcrumbs, butter, and sometimes cheese, and baked for a golden crust. This method will make any vegetable taste great, but it goes particularly well with fennel. To prepare the fennel, start by cutting off the stalks, but don't throw them away. Slice the bulb down the middle and cut each half into wedges. It's important that a small part of the bottom root is connected to each wedge. This will keep the fennel from falling apart during the cooking process. Depending on the size of the fennel bulb, cut each half into 3 or 4 pieces. However, I do prefer the smaller wedges. Bring a large pot of water to a boil and add a few tablespoons of salt as if you were making pasta. Carefully drop in the fennel and stir them around. Partially cover the pot with a lid and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. While the fennel cooks, snap off some of the fronds from the stalks you saved. You won't need a lot, so try to select the best parts. Give them a fine mince and reserve for topping the final dish. Then grate about 4 ounces of Parmesan cheese and also preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now the fennel should be about done. If a sharp knife can go through the thickest part of the wedge with little resistance, it's ready. Remove all of the fennel with a strainer and place them on a plate. The tool I'm using is called a spider and is very handy for boiling, blanching, and frying. Next, grease a large baking dish with a little bit of olive oil and start arranging the fennel. It helps to line the outside of the dish with the largest wedges. Then start filling the gaps with the smaller pieces. It's nice to have the ones around the edge facing the same direction, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Then give the fennel a good pinch of salt and pepper. Dot the dish with about 4 tablespoons of butter cut into small pieces. Spoon over a couple tablespoons of plain breadcrumbs and evenly distribute the grated cheese over the top. Now place the dish into the center of your oven and bake for about 25 minutes. Use your broiler for the last couple minutes if you want it really golden. Then garnish it with the chopped fennel fronds. Let it cool slightly before eating, and I would recommend serving this with pork or whitefish.